Charo, picture po.
This is Baby Kay Jimenez.
Konti pa po. Ay, hello po.
She's an awardee.
Dito po. One. Ma'am Charo, look din po. Thank you po.
Charo, one more photo ko lang. Kasali ko eh. There's the backup.
Backup. So, isa lang, nakadilog. Number 29.
Wala, bawal yung Miss Charo. Miss Charo.
Selfie naman po.
Miss Charo.
Okay, ready?
Kaya ka dito. Oh, sige na nga.
Ready?
Hinahanap ka na ni Pepito Rodriguez. At siya, boyfriend ko yun.
Thank you very much.
Hinahanap ni Pepito Rodriguez. Panahon ko. Oo.
Miss Charo.
Ma'am Charo.
Ma'am Charo. Hello po. How are you feeling tonight?
Good, good.
Yeah. And
I'm
what
honored to have been invited to be one of the presenters.
what can you say
I
na
wish
super?
I wish all the nominees the best of luck.
Yeah. What can you say na super nag-trending po yung scene niya with Tinding and Lena?
Aba, excited naman ako at hinihintay ko ang reaksyon ng ating mga taga-subaybay ng Batang Quiapo. Di ba? At parang gustong-gusto nilang may gumanti para kay Marites.
Yes po. Sige po. See you later. Thank you.
Oo.
Lani Mercado's here. From Cavite. Lani Mercado Revilla. Lani Mercado Revilla. Hello po. Yes.
Pamulat. Thank you, Jordan. Hi, Sir Christopher. Hi, Chong.
Oo, na kasi ginagaya kita.
Pintus. Ay, wait lang. Sa Dirikuan?
Hindi kinabi naman. Ayaw. Thank you. Si Mick at si Linus. That's their name. Nominated ka? Yeah, nominated.
Hi Cedric, how does it feel na nominated ka uli as Best Actors for Gumbursa? Sa
Celebration lang to ng artistry natin mga Pinoy. So, enjoy lang tayo lang.
Thank you.
Malaking bagay.
Hi Direk May!
Ganda naman.
Layo.
Ikaw muna. Kamusta kayo?
Pepe Joke.
Thank you very much po. I'm very nervous po ako and excited po and very grateful po to be nominated po here sa pangalan. And maraming salamat po.
Good luck! Kasi inside, good luck.
How does it feel na you're being nominated as Best Child Actor?
Very grateful po and super shocked po kami actually po nung
Hello, dear Director of the Manila of the 77th Powers Award. And it's so exciting siya at mga stars.
For movie Kampon, right? Anong movie?
2 movies, right?
Ghost Tales po.
Wow. Thank you very much and good luck. Santa, please. Ay, sir po, Santa, please. Alright. Sir, siguro lang yung picture.
We have here GM stars from Tawag ng Tanghala na nagpa-perform tonight. Hi, GM! Ang gwapo mo tonight. Sino ba? Napakaganda ng red suit.
Is stylist was the live and art. Thank you, very kind.
Sobrang excited mo talaga mag-perform tonight. Pero sino excited na makita dito sa event na to?
Grabe, parang nakita ko nga yung mga roster ng mga artists na makikita nila. Talagang excited ako sa lahat ng mga legends and icons na biglang makita sa isang event, diba? Usually mga nakita ko mga ka-age group ko, ganyan. Pero dito tonight, lahat ng legends, I'm so excited to meet them all.
Excited na kami sa performance ko nito. So see you inside! Yes!
Ilan ganda. Kay
We have here John Ray. He was invited along with our backstage shows. Si John Ray siya yung best supporting actor last year. Tama ba? Last year. Chichikahin natin si John Ray. And can't wait to see na manalo ng Fantas Award, diba? Hi, John Ray! Hello! Hello, who are you naman na ngayon mag-host ka na ng Kama?
Yes, we're lucky enough tayo na maka-host ngayon na backstage access host ko tayo ng Kamas. Kaya yung 2 years ago, nandito rin ako sa scene na naguluwagan ito na sobrang tayo, sobrang kinakabahan at hindi natin alam na ngayon po ay isa na rin tayo ng Kamas awardee. At ngayon po naibilan tayo naman para maging backstage host. Kaya naman please follow and subscribe din po ang YouTube channel and of course the Facebook and the TikTok. And I'm here today of course with my co-host, my news for tonight. This is Mike De La Cruz.
Yeah, thank you so much, Thomas, for having us as your backstage host. So, abangan lang kayo mamaya kung sino-sino yung mga mag-i-interview namin at the backstage.
Yan at yung dagdagan natin sa Facebook page natin ipopost after na tumanggap ng trophy nila, fresh from the reaction, bababa sila, diretso sila muna sa amin at doon nila ibibigay yung mga nakalimutan nila o kung ano ba yung mga hindi nila nasabi on stage. Kaya kami yung mag-interview, backstage access, powered by Stagers Channel.
Thank you so much for inviting me here inside. Thank you. Okay, we have our Sir Salman Cruz, Best Supporting Actor nominee for Monday first reading. Wow! Hi, sir! Ang cool naman ang outfit mo, sir. Pero okay na, sir. Talagang bonggang-bongga pa. Sir, anong feeling ka ba nominee ngayon sa Kama? Pangilan mo ba ito, sir? Yes. My God, talaga namang bonggang-bongga. Sir, bilang pang-apat yun na to, ano masasabi nyo? Kasi marami nagchichika na nababasa ko online na movie industry daw is dying na. What are your thoughts about it? Thank you so much, sir, and good luck. How are you? Ang ganda ng dress ko. Who are you wearing, sir?
From my friend, Nicole Laurel. Hello, I'm your friend.
Tapos makeup mo is mo yan.
Yes, ako lang.
Bongga. So, nominated ka last year for Best Supporting Actress, and now, my God, ano masasabi mo sa mga nominee for Best Supporting Actress naman? Kasi sino mga nominee?
It's nice to be back, and I think the celebration of Mama's Day is not about winning. It's about, being together as one big artist. Diba, nagsama-sama tayo because we love the art that we do, and that is being on film. And maraming salamat din po sa Pakas for sa pag-iinig sa mga suporta at pagkilala sa mga artista gumagawa ng pelikula. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, sis. Stay beautiful and I'll see you inside.
Right now, and this is actually a mustard role, so thank you so much, Joyce, for dressing me up.
You look so stunning. Thank you so much. I'll see you inside.
He's wearing a yellow dress with pink flowers. Yellow Pascual.
Of course, Mr. Piolo Pascual is nominated for
Papa P.
Balearic Best Actor. Atong Bursa, of course. Oh, ang daming nomination. Best Actor talaga, di ba? Of course, we have here JC Santos.
We also have JC Santos in here. He's wearing a black tux.
Hi, JC! Ang pogi mo! Oh my God, sino po ang nagdami mo tonight? This is your, ang ilang nomination mo for Balearic?
First time.
First time?
great opportunity.
Sobrang galing mo rin. Congratulations in advance. Yes, I.
First being part of Sling District and looking forward to catching up with your friends in showbiz. So I look forward.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Thank you.
Lala, quick shoot. Alright, smile. Eyes here, okay, good. Sige, sir, sa kabilang side naman. Here. Here. Alright, here please.
Thank you.
Solid ang mga taga-industriya at nagtulong-tulong sa iba't ibang sektor para maging matagumpay itong Pakas Awards. This is our only way para ma-update ang maangat natin ang industriya ng Pilipino. Pero siguro mas sila ang tanongin mo dahil sila talaga nagpakahirap. Ang hirap mamili ngayong ako napakagaganda ng mga pelikula na ato. So good luck naman. Sure, hindi na ako nagpapagod. Sir, how about you? What are your thoughts sa community industry ka mo is
But everybody's looking for me. May mga projects, especially now we have another Himala.
I heard about that Himala, di ba? Of course, hindi naman mga kapatid, si patuloy tayo gagawa ng mga magandang pelikula. Ikalibre yung pelikula, di ba? So, we will see you inside po. Congratulations.
Alright, smile. 1, 2, 3, close on. 1, 2, 3, okay. Pag-ibig lang. Thank you.
We have here, Sir Brian from the Air Force One. Congratulations naman. And good luck. Di ba?
Ayun, si...
Picture mo isa. Picture mo isa.
Hindi kaya ang point 5.
Sige, papasok. Sa likod po yung iba. Sige, papasok. Yung iba pa sa likod.
Hindi kaya.
Sige, papasok. Sir po. Ano po yan? Title po. Closer. Alright, smile po yan. Okay, good.
couple is married. Ano thought dito?
Actually, yes. Kaya nga, dasal ko, sama-sama hindi lang tuwing Metro Manila Film Festival kumikita ang mga pelikula. Dapat araw-araw, linggo-linggo, piliin natin kumita ang bawat pelikula. Kasi ang daming mga magagawa sa industry na kailangan ng tulong natin.
Correct. So, thank you po and good luck. Good luck. Congratulations, guys.
Center, please. Yan naman, sir. Thank you. Sir, alright, smile yan, sir. 1, 2, 3. Alright. The other side, sir.
And you are nominated for Best Supporting Actor, right? Grabe, nakailan nomination dito sa film na to? Parang marami.
I'm just very happy po na
First time, dapat si Sobrang ready mo naman. Good luck, ha? Congratulations in advance. 13, and my God, finally, napansin ka na naman. Ano sa film?
Dito po kayo para maka-interview po. Dito. Wala na yung camera.
Of course, we have your Miss Louise Serna Icon Awardee.
Icon Award.
Hello, Miss Louise. Sobrang ganda ng buhay like as always. Who are you po?
I'm sorry, I forgot the name of the sign. But si Alvin Ramos, my wonderful Alvin Ramos style for tonight. And my makeup, if you would mind Marcy, so is by Jerry Cabulo. And my jewelry from my friend Dia Fernando.
Of course, sobrang ganda. And Miss Louise, kayo po ay Icon Award. So, sobrang talagang bong yung award na yun. Kasi ang tagalinan po talaga sa showbiz. Sabi niyo sa mga younger stars kayo, 50 plus years, grabe, di ba ako pinapanganak? Pero sobrang ganda nyo pa rin po. Sobrang ganda nyo. Para kayong 25 lang. So, may mga question na nga. Okay. Ano sabi niyo bilang kayo Icon Award? Ano mga thoughts sa mga aming at mga gusto ng artista like you?
Well, ang una kong advice is that they have to love their craft. And then, kailangan pag nasa industriya ka na, you have to be patient. You have to have humility. You have to be serious about your craft. Kasi may mga iba na pumapasok for the wrong reasons. Yung mga ganon, I'm sorry to say, hindi nagtatagal sa industriya. Pero pag pinag-aralan mo ng mabuti ang ginagawa mo, pinahal mo, nirespeto mo ang iyong trabaho, I think more than anything else, you will succeed in the industry.
Kaya naman ito bakit?
And of course, that's not to sound the fact that everything is my last words. Pagkalingo sa atin ng Panginoon, nakita talaga yung industriya para sa atin. No one can stop us.
Of course, I agree. Kaya naman tumagal po kayo ng almost 50 years to by the industry.
54, 55 years in the industry. Thank God.
Thank God. At tatagal pa, di ba?
May awa ang Diyos. Sana nawa sa tulong siyempre ninyo ng mga bagong mga henerasyon at ng mga kasama sa trabaho. As long as you need me every year.
We need you more years to go. Congratulations po, Miss Louise. Congratulations.
Picture po. Kanila nung
Congrats
Thank
po.
you, thank you.
Hindi niya interview.
the TikTok fantasy. Di ba? Kinakabahan ako. Sobrang ganda ni Miss Maria. My God. Sobrang ganda. At sobrang pogi. Parang, ano lang ako. Hello, Sir Diego, Miss Maria. Sobrang pogi, sobrang ganda. You are nominated for Best Actor and Best Action for you, why? Yes. So congratulations po. Sobrang ganda mo, Miss Maria. Sobrang pogi. Ayaw, Margaret, wala ako nagano, pero nag-fangirl ako sa inyo. Congratulations and that.
Eyes here po, quick picture lang. Alright, smile. Okay, good. Sa other side po, other side. Okay, here po. Alright, smile. What? Eyes here po. Alright, smile. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Dito po sa right. Holding area.
Miss Maria!
Eyes here. Eyes here po. Eyes here. Okay, smile. One, two, three. Okay, good. Eyes here. Sa kabila naman po, sir. Other side. Here po. Here po. Direct, direct. Eyes here. Smile. Alright.
Merek, direct po. 1, 2, 3. Here din po.
Ako. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Alright, good. Okay na po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Holding area muna. Holding area.
Congratulations po sa Ivan Award. Of course, syempre, bilang Ivan Award ay ang very positive. Hindi naman pinag-uusapan po sila. Don't to be industry is kaya ito. Ano sa kanya dito?
Pasado ba?
Media natin yan.
Congratulations po ulit. See you inside.
Alright, smile. Eyes here. Sir.
Ayoko, nag-gusto ko rin, no.
Eyes here po. Smile yan. Okay, good. Sige po, sa kabilang side naman. Ay, hindi tayo mag-auto.
Mga mami mo naman, mga mami. Selfie-selfie ng anak, mga mami.
Ay, wag dyan, ma'am. Sa ibang side po. Wag dito. Tama. Apakan niyo sila, ma'am. Wag sa gitna. Dito, ma'am. Dito lalabas yan, ma'am.
Picture po,
Alright, smile. Opo.
Parang wag lang po.
Ang bait talaga, kaya idol niya.
Mag-install ka muna dyan. Mag-install ka muna interview.
Kasi happy January, of course, mga people mo ba? Award, hindi ka na kiramahan mo rin po. How does it feel to be already happy? Congratulations, of course, maraming mga veterans. Sino ba yung mga hindi mo ka-award in the future?
Go, sir.
Pasok na po sila sa holding area. Kasama po yan si Marian, si Tugong, at marami pang artist sa loob. Diyan lang po sila nag-i-stay. Para pag tinawag yung over nila, alis na sila dyan.